Good morning, dear students. Before the Onam vacation, let's learn one remedy from Melanthasiae family, Veratrum viridae. I think you have already learned Veratrum alb from the same family, Melanthasiae, and that Veratrum alb have so many symptoms. But comparing with the Veratrum alb, this remedy, Veratrum viridae, has only few symptoms. So, today you can learn the symptoms under Veratrum viridae. Veratrum viridae. Common name green hellebore, and the Veratrum alb it is known as white hellebore. Here Veratrum viridae, its common name is green hellebore, and both Veratrum alb and Veratrum viridae belongs to family Melanthaceae, and the brewer is Bert. And Veratrum viridae is a remedy for headache, sunstroke, basilar meningitis, convulsions, acute rheumatism, etc. And this remedy causes depression of heartbeat and also reduction of pulse rate. And its sphere of action is especially on the cervical portion of spinal cord and base of brain. And it causes congestion. Very important. It causes congestion. It is a remedy for congestion, especially on the base of brain or cervical portion of the spinal cord. And also through pneumogastric nerve, it has action upon heart and lungs, like Antium tart, where in Antium tart, depression of pneumogastric nerve occurs, and thus the respiratory symptoms are occurring. Here also has action upon the pneumogastric nerve through the pneumogastric nerve or the vagus nerve. It has action upon heart and lungs, and also upon joints, causing rheumatism with congestion of the part. Then adaptability for full-blooded plethoric persons, and it's also indicator for bad effects of sunstroke. Then coming to the gating symptom, first point is congestion. That is intense cerebral congestion and congestive stage of inflammation with great arterial excitement. So congestion is very much marked with arterial excitement. Next, it is a remedy for meningitis, especially basilar meningitis where head is retracted and child on the verge of spasms. That is, convulsions is also a feature of the Veratrum viridae. Then regarding pulse suddenly increases and gradually decreases below normal. Pulse are soft, slow, weak, irregular, intermittent, as seen in case of digitalis tabacum, etc. So, pulse suddenly increases and gradually decreases below normal. Then about fever. Intense fever with twitching and tendency to spasms. Then the feature of tongue. Tongue is white or yellow with red streak down the middle, dry, moist, white or yellow coating or no coating on either side, feels scalded. So the appearance of tongue, red streak down the middle. It may be white or yellow or no coating, etc. But there is red streak down the middle. You have studied the tongue of Antium crude, whitewashed tongue. That is as if thick white coating, as if tongue is whitewashed. Here there is red streak down the middle. And also there is vomiting, which is violent and long continued. So the guiding symptoms are there is congestion with great arterial excitement. It is a remedy for meningitis where head is retracted or opisthotonous position and with spasms. Pulse suddenly increases and gradually decreases below normal, and there is also intense fever with twitching. Then appearance of the tongue, that is red streak down the middle, and also there is violent vomiting. Then about head symptoms. The question that can be asked for your exam is the apoplectic symptom of Veratrum viridae or head symptoms of Veratrum viridae or action in CVS or in blood and circulatory system, etc. Mainly asked as apoplectic symptoms of veratrum viridae. So coming to head symptoms, first point is congestion. That is especially to the base of brain or chest, spine, stomach, etc. So there is congestion to the base of brain, and there is intense congestion, almost apoplectic, with head hot, bloodshot eyes, bloated livid face, thick speech, pulse slow, full, hard as iron. So that much congestion or apoplectic nature of head is seen. Next point is regarding convulsion. With dim vision, basilar meningitis, head retracted, with child on verge of spasms. Again the child trembles, jerks, threatened with convulsions, continued jerking or nodding of head is there. Again, cerebrospinal diseases with spasms, dilated pupil, tetanic convulsions, opisthotonus, cold clammy perspiration. Again for sunstroke with head full throbbing of carotid arteries, sensitive to sound, double or partial vision. Again remedy for headache, nervous or sick headache with congestion from suppressed menses, intense almost apoplectic with violent nausea and vomiting. So these are the symptoms of head. So there is congestion especially to the base of brain. Then congestion with the hot head, bloodshot eyes, face bloated livid, speech very thick, pulse slow, full, hard as iron. Again there is convulsions with dim vision, basilar meningitis, head retracted, and child tremble, jerks, or there is continual nodding of head. Again for cerebrospinal diseases with spasms, dilated pupil, convulsions, cold clammy perspiration. Again remedy for sunstroke where head full, throbbing of arteries are there. Patient is very much sensitive to sound with double vision, and also it is a remedy for headache, nervous or sick headache with congestion. It may be from suppression of menses with apoplectic head, and there is also associated with the nausea and vomiting. So these are the head symptoms. Study well the head symptom. Next, going to CVS about pulse. Pulse suddenly increases and gradually decreases below normal. And the nature of the pulse being slow, soft, weak, irregular and intermittent. So the pulse suddenly increases and gradually decreases to normal. And the pulse is slow, soft, weak, irregular and intermittent, as seen in case of digitalis, tabacum, etc. And like all other medicines, the veratrum alb also to be given according to the totality of symptoms. It should not be given simply to bring down the pulse or to control the heart's action. Only according to the totality of symptoms it can be considered. So then study the nature of pulse. Pulse increases suddenly and gradually decreases to normal. Digitalis very much intermittent nature is present. That is third, fifth, seventh beat is very much prominent and intermittent. Here the suddenly increases and gradually decreasing nature of pulse is seen. Then coming all the symptoms of veratrum viridae, there is a peculiar nature of tongue is seen. That is, the tongue is white or yellow with red streak down the middle, dry or moist, white or yellow coating or no coating on side, and tongue feels scalded. So tongue may be white or yellow coated or no coating is present, but tongue is always with red streak down the middle. And there is also violent and long continued vomiting. Vomiting is very much prominent. Then coming to joint affections, rheumatism. I said it is an important remedy for congestion. So rheumatic pain attended with inflammation and congestion. So in acute rheumatism, there is much fever with full heart pulse, very severe pain in the joints and muscles, and with scanty red urine. So rheumatism with the congestion, inflammation, fever, pain. Then coming to the respiratory system, again it is a remedy for congestion of chest. So with fever etc. So it is a remedy for pneumonia where hyperpyrexia or rapidly oscillating temperature is there and the pulse is hard, full, rapid. Respiration is also rapid and the pneumonia is associated with gastric irritability. So the respiratory symptom of Veratrum viride, it is an important remedy for pneumonia, especially for the congestive stage with hyperpyrexia or oscillating temperature, hard, full, rapid pulse, rapid respiration with gastric irritability. And coming to the modality, symptoms are aggravated by rising up, motion, heat of sun, and is ameliorated by rubbing, lying with head low. So these are the points in Veratrum viride. So the important characteristic symptom of Veratrum viride are first congestion. Site of action is mainly upon the base of brain or the cervical part of spine. So congestion is very much marked with much inflammation. Again there is meningitis, especially basilar meningitis, and where the head is retracted nature. And the next guiding symptom is pulse. Pulse, there is sudden increase and gradual decrease of pulse is there. And fever also, much intense twitching is there. And the peculiar feature of the tongue, that is red streak down the middle. And vomiting always associate. Then the question, that is apoplectic syndrome of Veratrum viride. If asked, you have to give answer as head symptoms, rheumatism. Rheumatism also there is congestion, pneumonia also there is congestion. But remember the congestion especially upon the base of brain or basilar meningitis. It is a remedy for basilar meningitis. So cervical spine is more affected or base of the brain is more affected. So apoplectic symptoms include first congestion to the base of brain, much congestion with head hot, eyes bloodshot, face bloated, livid, speech thick, pulse slow, hard as iron. Also there is convulsions with dim vision, basilar meningitis, opisthotonus, with children jerking, convulsions or nodding of head is there. Then it is again a remedy for cerebrospinal diseases with the spasms, dilated pupil, convulsions, cold clammy perspiration. Again for sunstroke with throbbing of arteries. And patient is very much sensitive to sound. Also there is double vision. And headache with much congestion, either from suppression of menses or maybe a sick headache or nervous headache with apoplectic affection. Then with violent nausea and vomiting also there. Then the nature of pulse rapidly increasing, gradually decreasing. Then the appearance of the tongue, white, maybe white or yellow. But the key symptom is red streak down the middle of the tongue. Then in rheumatism also it is indicator where the inflammation, congestion is very much marked. Also fever, high fever is there, and there is pain in joints and muscle. And in pneumonia, in respiratory syndrome it is a remedy for pneumonia, where there is pyrexia and the pulse is very rapid, high, etc. Also respiration also very much rapid and is associated with the gastric irritability. And finally you have to compare Comparison, Veratrum Viride is an important remedy for congestion. We have studied congestion in so many other remedies. Aconite, belladonna, glonoin, lachesis, mellotus, sulfur, etc. Aconite, belladonna, first stage of inflammation. Whereas in case of aconite, the congestion is there and it is a remedy for inflammation before the localization takes place. In belladonna, after localization, as seen in ferrum force, etc. While in case of glonoin, there is congestion, especially alternate congestion to head and heart. So it is important remedy for headache also. There is congestion. Then lachesis. Lachesis also there is congestion. There is rush of blood to head. So there is severe headache, bursting pain. Patient cannot lie down. And this headache is aggravated after sleep. So the patient is very much feared to go to sleep because she has to wake with such an terrible headache. So she is very much fearful to go to sleep. Then mellilotus. Mellilotus also has much congestion but get relieved by hemorrhages. The appearance of the face is also very much flushed with throbbing parotids, but there is also nosebleed. Nosebleed relieves the congestion of the face. Sulfur also congestion, but in sulfur there is congestion to single parts, but there is severe burning. Then for convulsions also you have studied so many drugs. Belladonna, cuprum, hyos, nux, stramonium, etc. Belladonna, the convulsions is almost with fever during dentition, etc. And in case of Magforce, there is no fever, convulsion without fever. In cuprum, there is convulsions where the spasms begin the finger, toes and spreads the whole body. Then in hyos, the convulsions without consciousness. So convulsions with consciousness in case of nux, stramonium, etc. And convulsions without consciousness is seen in case of belladonna, cicuta, hyoscyamus, opium, etc. And the trio for convulsion, delirium, bell, hyos, stramonium, delirious remedies. Then here the tongue has coating, especially red coating down the middle of the tongue. Similar coating of tongue you have learned in so many remedies. In case of Antium crude, the tongue has a thick white coating as if whitewash. Whereas in case of Antium tart, it has a coating upon the side as if red papillae. Seen the tongue, the appearance of the tongue is like red papillae, especially upon the side. Whereas in case of Rustox in fever, etc., it has a triangular red tip appearance is seen. And in case of Naxomica tongue, the anterior half is clean, but the posterior half is coated, furred appearance with the edges cracked. Then the tongue of Natramore. Natramore tongue has an red insular patches like ringworm affection, especially upon the side of tongue. Whereas clean tongue, you have learned in Sina, clean tongue. So in case of Veratrum viride, learn the apoplectic symptoms. So that is all about it. Thank you.